Hi students, good morning. This is Bhavani working as PSCRT in Yallanpet KGBV, Srikakulam district. In previous class you learned fractions, decimals and rational numbers. Multiplication of fractions you learned. Today our class is division of fractions. Let us see the division of how to divide division fractions. In division of fractions, nature mundu first reciprocal of fraction. What is reciprocal of fraction? Let us see. For example, 5 by 7 multiplied by the 7 by 5, that is equal, you can cancel 7 and 7, 5 and 5, you get 1. 3 by 4 multiplied with 4 by 3, that is equal 1. 4 cancel, 3 and 3 cancel, that is equal 1. These two fractions are reciprocal of one each other. Any two non-zero fractions multiplied each other, you get 1. These fractions are reciprocal of one another. Two fractions వాటి ప్రోడక్ట్ అనేది 1 అయితే ప్రోడక్ట్ 1 అయినప్పుడు ఒక ఫ్రాక్షన్కి ఇంకో ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఏమవుతుంది, రెసిప్రోకల్ అవుతుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 5 by 7 రెసిప్రోకల్ 8 by 3. You take 8 by 3, reciprocal of 8 by 3, 3 by 8. His product is you get 1. That's why the 8 by 3 reciprocal 3 by 8. 4 by 9 reciprocal 9 by 4. 9 by 4. Okay. Division of whole number by fraction. How to division whole number? For example, you take 3 by 1 by 2. Division of whole number by fraction. Any whole number divided by one fraction, that is equal, that means how many halves are there in 3? How many halves are there in 3? In 3 wholes, how many halves are there? How many halves are there? 6 halves are there. That is equal 3 divided by 1 by 2 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 halves are there. 2 divided by, let us take another example. 2 divided by 1 by 3. That means how many 1/3s are there in 2? You take circular any square. How many 1/3s are there? This is divided into 3 parts. One part is 1/3. How many 1/3s are there in this division? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are there. Let us another example. 2 by 1 by 4. That means how many 1/4s are there in 2? How many 1/4s are there in 2 wholes? Circular, square or rectangle, divided into 4 parts. One part is represented as 1/4. How many 1/4s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is equal 8. Observe 3 example. We conclude that 3 is equal to 3 by 1 by 2 is equal to 3. Divided is converted into multiplication. This is reciprocal of 1 by 2. That is equal 3 multiplies 2. That is equal 6. Division is converted into multiplication of reciprocal of this fraction. One whole number ne fraction to division cheyalante this is equal to the product of whole number into the reciprocal of this fraction. Okay, this is equal to 2 multiplied 2 into reciprocal of 1 by 3. That is equal 2 multiplies 3. That is equal 6. Next one, 2 divided by is converted into multiplication. 2 into is equal to reciprocal of 1 by 4. That is equal 2 multiplies 4. That is equal 8. Okay, division of whole number by a fraction. The whole number divided by fraction is equal to, deniki equal idi? Equivalent to multiplying that number by the reciprocal of that fraction. That means, for example, you take an example, whole number divided by one fraction, 1 by 2. That is equal, that whole number is multiplied with the reciprocal of that fraction. That is equal 4 multiplied by reciprocal of 1 by 2. That is equal 2. That is equal 4 2s are 8. Answer is we get 8. Next, division of fraction by a whole number. This is also follow the same manner. Division of fraction by a whole number. When you take one example, 1 by 2 divided by 5. How to divide these fractions ante 1 by 2 multiplied with, this is 5 by 1. Therefore, the reciprocal of 5. That is equal 1 by 2 multiplied with 1 by 5. That is equal, the product of two fractions is equal to the product of numerators by the product of denominators. That's why we get 1 and 1 by 2 multiplied 5. That is equal 1 by 10. We get 1 by 10. Next, another example. This fraction is mixed fraction. First you converted into the mixed fraction into improper. Improper marchi, as usual you take same manner. You follow the same manner. Let us take another example. 2 and 1 by 2 divided by 6 or 5. First you converted into the mixed fraction into improper. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 multiplied with reciprocal of 5. That is equal 5 by 2 multiplied with 1 by 5. You can cancel 5 and 5. You get 1 by 2. Okay, this is the answer. Next one, the fraction, division of fraction by another fraction. Division of fraction by another fraction. Division of fraction by another fraction. For example, 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 4. 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 4. First, we take 1 by 2, division is converted to multiplication, and this is reciprocal of three by 4. That is equal 1 by 2 multiplied with 3 by 4. Reciprocal antama 4 by 3. That is equal, multiplication of two fractions is equal to the product of numerators by the product of denominators. 4 by 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are, therefore 2 by 3. We get 2 by 3 is come. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fraction. ఈ given fractions యొక్క reciprocal ని find చేయాలి. How to find? 5 by 8. 5 by 8 reciprocal ఏమవుద్దమ్మా? 8 by 5. Next, first one. Second one, reciprocal of 8 by 7, that is equal 7 by 8. Reciprocal of 13 by 7, that is equal 7 by 13. Next, last but least, reciprocal of 3 by 4, that is equal 4 by 3. Next problem. This is 18 divided by 3 by 4. That means whole number, the division of whole number by a fraction. How to find this fraction? First, the whole number by a fraction, the product whole number multiplied with the reciprocal of fraction. Therefore, 18 multiplied with reciprocal of 3 by 4, that is equal 18 into reciprocal of 3 by 4, that means 4 by 3. Therefore, we can cancel 3 6 are okay, 6 4s are 24. 20 we get 24 is answer. Next one, second problem, 8 by 7 by 3. This is follow the same manner. 8 multiplied with reciprocal of 7 by 3, that is equal 8 into 7 by 3 reciprocal antama. What is the reciprocal of 7 by 3? 3 by 7, that is equal the product of whole number with the numerator by the denominator is keeping the same. 8 3s are 24 by 7. This is an improper fraction. This is converted into mixed fraction. Three and 3 by 7. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 3, 24 by 7. Next problem. Let us see. Let us find this fraction, third one. 3 divided by 2 and 1 by 3. 5 divided by 3 and 4 by 3. You first convert it into the mixed fraction into improper. తర్వాత మనం దీన్ని యాజ్ యూజువల్ ఫాలో అవ్వాల్సి ఉంటుంది. 3 divided by mixed fraction. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 3. That is equal whole number by a fraction. Whole number multiplied with the reciprocal of 7 by 3. That is equal 3 multiplied with reciprocal of 7 by 3. 3 by 7. That is equal the product of whole number with the numerator by the denominator is keeping the same. 3 3s are 9 by 7. This is improper fraction. This is converted into mixed. 1 by 1 and 2 by 7. Next one. 5 divided by 3 and 4 by 7. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4 25. 25 by 7 is a improper fraction. That is equal the division of whole number by the fraction is equal to whole number multiplied with the reciprocal of 25 by 7. That is equal 5 into 7 by 25. You can cancel 5 5s are. That is equal 7 by 5 is answer. This is also improper fraction. Therefore 7 by 5 divided by 7. 5 ones are 5. Remainder is 2. That is equal to, you can write 1 and 2 by 5 is the answer. Note down. Third problem, third the first one, 2 by 5 divided by 3. That means fraction is divided by whole number. Fraction multiplied with the reciprocal of this whole number. How to find 2 by 5 multiplied with 1 undanukunte the reciprocal of 3 by 1. That is equal 2 by 5 multiplied with 1 by 3. This is the product of two fractions is equal to product of numerators by the product of denominators. That is equal to 1s are 2, 5 3s are 15. You get 2 by 15 is the answer. Next one. Next one. 7 by 8 divided by 5. That is equal 7 by 5 divided by the whole number. That means 7 by 8 multiplied with reciprocal of 5. That is equal 7 by 8 into 1 by 5. The product of two fractions is equal to the product of numerators by the product of denominators. Therefore 7 1s are 8 5s are 7 1s are 7, 8 5s are 40. That is equal to, you get the fraction 7 by 40. Next problem. Note down. Next problem. The next problem, 4 by 9 divided by 4 by 5. How to the division of fraction by the another fraction. That means the division of fraction by another fraction is equal to 4 by 9 multiplied with the reciprocal of this fraction. Division is converted into multiplication, the reciprocal of this fraction. Four by 5, that is equal 4 by 9 multiplied with the reciprocal of 4 by 5 is equal to 5 by 4. We can cancel 4 and 4. We get the answer 5 by 9. Okay, next problem. Note down. Write the next problem. Okay, the fourth problem in exercise 4. Deepak can paint 2 by 5 part of house in one day. One day లో అతను ఎంత పూర్తి చేశారు హౌస్ మొత్తంలో 2 by 5 part. If you continues working at this rate, ఇదే రేట్లో కంటిన్యూ అయితే how many days will he take to paint the whole house? Whole house paint చేయడానికి how many days are taken? అంటే మొత్తం అతను ఎంత పార్ట్ వన్ డేకి చేశాడు 2 by 5 పార్ట్. అయితే ఒక రోజుకి 2 by 5 పార్ట్ అయితే టోటల్ కంప్లీట్ అవ్వడానికి హౌ మెనీ డేస్ అంటే డివిజన్ చేయాలి. టైం టేకెన్ టు రాసుకో ఆన్సర్. టేకెన్ టు పెయింట్ 2 by 5 part of house is equal to 1 day. 2 by 5 part of house paint చేయడానికి ఎన్ని రోజులు పట్టింది 1 day. Whole house paint చేయడానికి how much days are taken? Time taken to paint the whole part of the whole house. Time taken to paint the whole house. Whole house in paint చేయడానికి how much time to taken అంటే same 1 divided by 2 by 5. You already know that the whole number, division of whole number by the fraction, whole number multiplied with reciprocal of 2 by 5, that is equal 1 into 5 by 2, that is equal, this is improper fraction, you get the fraction 2 by 5 by 2, 5 by 2, this is converted into mixed fraction, 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1, this is 2 and 1 by 2, that is equal, the total house completed in 2.5 days. The total house completed paint complete చేయడానికి ఆ total house paint complete చేయడానికి how many days are taken? 2.5 days. Okay, write down. Note down. Note down. Okay students, bye. We will practice this exercise. We will meet another session with decimal numbers.